everyone, it's Anna from PNW Blanks and Sublimation, and today I'm going to show you just a little trick that I found in order to brand the bottom of your sublimated tumblers. So after you sublimate the design on them, then you can add a logo, add care instructions, or whatever you want to the bottom by sublimating with this cute little mini heat press. Now I got this heat press on Amazon, and it was only, I want to say $40, which is actually in the long run way cheaper than like dishwasher safe stickers that I know some other people use to brand the bottom of their cups. Not only that, this is completely permanent, so it won't wash off, it won't peel off, or anything like that. So you just want to hold it with a good pressure and kind of move it. You hold it and count for about 15 to 20 seconds. And the nice thing about this is we can kind of peek underneath it before we peel it off completely and make sure that it got a nice good press. Another idea that you could use for these is if you were doing like a fundraiser or like working for a festival or something like that, and you can put the year and the festival name on the bottom of the cups, or whatever you're doing the fundraiser for. You're trying to raise money for some sporting team or anything like that.
Earrings.
Oh, you could also use them for smaller items like earrings, keychains, anything like that. I'm just gonna go over one more time. And this is nice and quick way to get the kind of just a nice finish off the bottoms of your tumblers after you sublimate them. So let's take a peek and see. Be very careful because it does get hot. And that looks really good. So that side is good. Let's move around to the next side. Looks great. Perfect. And there you go. And look at that. You have nice branding on the bottom of your sublimated tumblers.